Hey, what's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and today got my boy. You know he always gonna be with me, Idris with the game. But we got a little bush knockdown we need to do for one of my great clients. Really super. Just did this yard what Friday. I think I'm gonna just clip it for her a little bit just cause I like her, and we gotta just knock these bushes down. That's coming from the other side. This ain't even got nothing to do with her. But she said, you know what? I can't have my property looking like this. So we get ready to knock this down, as you can see. And then we gonna get to it. I ain't got that much to do because it's supposed to rain, so I don't know. So we see y'all in a second. Peace. I got my son just basically raking everything up. Then he going, what the hell? I don't know. But he's going to push everything over to the truck and just get everything up. It's my cleanup guy. He's such a really big help. I don't think he understands how much he is like just a big help, man. Seriously, I don't know what I'd do without him. Like I would literally have to stop trimming and then have to do what he's doing right now. I'll be out here all day. So yeah. Yeah, man. Find some help. If you ain't got no help, you got some kids. Use your kids, man. Alright guys, so it's a wrap. Definitely look totally better. Totally. I can't get all that. That's too much, but we lit.